everyone, welcome back to the session of English. In this session, we are going to continue with our chapter Jumbled Sentences. This is part 3. In part 1 and 2, we have already discussed the concepts of jumbled sentences. Also, we did some questions of jumbled sentences. In this session as well, we are going to discuss some question and answers of jumbled sentences. So let's begin the session. Many times it happens that we come across sentences which can be solved by using several sequences or maybe more than one sequence. But according to the options, may be possible the sequence that we have formed is not correct. So we have to take the help of the options to write our answer or to mark our answer. So let us see some type of these questions. Now this is question number 26. Let us read the sentences carefully because here we are not given the first and the last sentence. So we should be very careful about the first sentence which can be the first sentence of the paragraph. Now it is written in P that has been below normal since last week. Now we know well that it has been started with has been and it is definitely not a question. So the sentence cannot begin with the word has or the paragraph cannot begin with the helping verb has. The minimum temperature. Now this is a noun phrase. So we can say that this can make the sequence of the sentence. So let us take Q as the first sentence of the paragraph. The minimum temperature in some parts of the city when rain and hailstorm activity recorded has been below normal since last week. Now if we look at the sentence, the minimum temperature, so the temperature is to be measured and when measured, it has been below normal since last week. So after Q, P can come as the sentence because there is a direct connection between both of these sentences. Now since last week, in some parts of the city. Now after this we have when rain and hailstorm activity recorded. So S can be either the first sentence or the last sentence or it can come in between as well. In some parts of the city, it can also create the first sentence. So if I take Q as the first sentence, let us see the options. Here we have all the options with R as the first sentence, S as the first sentence and Q as the first sentence. Now if I take S as the first sentence, we have option SPRQ. Now let us see whether this works or not. So S, when rain and hailstorm activity recorded has been below. So this cannot be the correct answer because it is not making any sense. RSPQ. Now if I begin the sentence with R, in some parts of the city, so according to the options, this sentence should be followed by R. When rain and hailstorm activity recorded, so RS, then we should have P, has been below normal since last week, the minimum temperature. It is again incorrect. It means we cannot begin the sentence using R as well. Now only one option is left, that is Q. Now if I begin the sentence with Q, the minimum temperature has been below normal since last week when rain and hailstorm activity recorded in some parts of the city. So it should be S and then R. So this should be the correct sequence. Now let us see the answer. So our answer is C, that is QPSR, and that is what we have already done. That is QPSR. It means our answer is absolutely correct. So C will be the correct answer. Now if I see P, so P cannot form the sentence or cannot begin the sentence because that we have already considered. So your answer will be C. Now let us see the 27th question. Again, 4 sentences have been given to us. Now let us see the sentences carefully. For guest teachers, in the Department of Biotechnology was also held a selection committee meeting. Now, we cannot begin the sentence using for guest teachers. We cannot begin the sentence using was. Now in the Department of Biotechnology or a selection committee meeting. If I begin the sentence using Q, in the Department of Biotechnology, a selection committee meeting was also held. It means Q, then S, then R, for guest teachers. So this should be the sequence. But if I begin the sentence using S, a selection committee meeting was also held in the Department of Biotechnology for guest teachers. So these two sequences we have already made. If I begin the sentence using P for guest teachers, a selection committee meeting was also held in the Department of Biotechnology. This can also be the sequence. Now let us see the options. Here we have options beginning with either S, Q, P or R. So we can have all the four combinations. Now the answer is A, that is SPRQ. Now let us see. A selection committee meeting for guest teachers was also held in the Department of Biotechnology. So there can be several sequences. Here it will be SPRQ. Now, how we come to know this? Because we have started the sentence with S or the paragraph with S. Now, if we go on the sequence, we have S, then after that we have P. Whereas in our sequence, we have S then R. Now, let us check other options. If I begin the sentence using Q, it will be QRSP according to our sequence, whereas it is written QSRP. So Q in the Department of Biotechnology was also held. It cannot be the situation. That means QR is a wrong combination. Now if I look for PR, if I begin the sentence with P for guest teachers, R cannot follow it. It means the sequence is also incorrect according to options. Now if I see R, the first position was also held. It cannot be true because R cannot begin the sentence or the paragraph. So this combination is also incorrect. Therefore, the remaining part is A, which should be the correct answer. So many times it happens that the sequence which we make may be possible it is also correct, but it doesn't match the options given to us. That is why we have to go according to the options. And according to the options, we have the sequence SPRQ. So our correct answer will be SPRQ. So our answer will be A. So many times it happens that we should go according to the options. So here A will be the correct answer. Now let us see the next sentence. Now your first sentence we have is P. For contractual assignment at cultural centers abroad, as teacher of Indian culture for 2 years, applications are invited in a prescribed format from Indian nationals for deployment. Now, some applications have been received. So, this can also make the first sentence. S can also make the first sentence. As teacher of Indian culture for 2 years. So, this is generally linking sentence for contractual assignment at cultural centers abroad. Now, let us see. According to options, let us go according to the options. First, we have Q, then P, then S, then R. Now, if I begin the sentence with Q, as the teacher, now the sequence which is given to us, it's QPRS. QPRS. Let us see whether this option matches or not. So, Q as teacher of Indian culture for 2 years, for contractual assignment at cultural centers abroad, applications are invited in a prescribed format from Indian nationals for deployment. But this does not make any sense and it is not going in flow. So this cannot be the correct answer. Now let us see the next one. PQRS. PQRS as the written format is. But that is not correct. So this can also not be the answer. Now if I begin the sentence using S, SRPQ. Now let us check this sequence. From Indian national for deployment, applications are invited in a prescribed format. So this is correct because from Indian nationals for deployment, applications are invited in a prescribed format for contractual assignment at cultural centers abroad as teacher of Indian culture for 2 years. So this sequence is absolutely correct. That this makes sense. Therefore, our answer will be C. And the remaining is RSQP. Now let us see this as well. Applications are invited in a prescribed format from Indian nationals for deployment, as teacher of Indian culture for 2 years for contractual. So for this doesn't make any sense. It means our answer will be C, that is SRPQ. Now let us move to the next. While they are small and do the great things, while they are easy, do the difficult things. Here, do is a verb, main verb. Now it is like a command we are giving to someone or a suggestion we are giving to someone. So do the difficult things. Here it is written and do. It means this is not the first sentence. This cannot be the first sentence. So we'll take S as the first sentence. Do the difficult things while they are easy. And do the great things, Q and then P, while they are small. Now, in this type of sentence, we can see that there is a suggestion or a proverb-like suggestion. Now, if we see this sentence carefully, if we see this paragraph carefully, we have do the difficult things, and in contrast with it, we have an opposite word of it. And do the great things. So great has an opposite, small. So here the opposites are written. So now let us read the entire paragraph carefully. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things when they are small. So our sequence is SRQP. Now let us see according to the options, that is SRQP. So the answer is absolutely correct, that is SRQP. Now let us move to the next. Then you surely, if you can't, don't deserve me at my best, handle me at my worst. In this sentence, again there is a sentence like proverb or a suggestion or a command or an instruction. So if I begin the sentence using then, it is not possible. If you can't, so this can be the sequence using Q as the first sentence. If you can't handle, can't handle, because can't cannot be followed with the word don't. So can't handle, it means S, me at my worst. Then you surely don't deserve me at my best. So this should be the sequence, that is QSPR. Now let us see according to the options. It is B, that is QSPR, that the one which we have already done. So our answer is absolutely correct. So this is the way how we can solve jumbled sentences. Now let us move to the next question. You will be more disappointed than by the ones you did do, by the things you didn't do 20 years from now. Now let us start the sentence. Now if I begin the sentence then by, it is not possible, by the things 20 years from now. Now we can either begin the sentence using P or S. You will be more disappointed. Now more disappointed, it is making a comparison, and in comparison we use the word then. You will be more disappointed than by the ones you did do. It means the first sentence will be 20 years from now. You will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So the sequence can be SPRQ, or now if I see the options, it is definitely SPRQ. So this is the correct sentence. Rest options are beginning with P, which we can make. You will be more disappointed 20 years from now by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. But we have to write then with the word more. So to make it a single sentence, we should begin the sentence using 20 years from now. You will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So this will be the correct sentence. So our answer D, it is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next question, that is 32. Man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks a successful others have thrown at him. Now this might be you have heard earlier as well. It is also like a proverb. Now a successful man, so successful is an adjective, which is qualifying the word men or the noun men. So R can be the first sentence. Then P, a successful man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him. So this is proper sequence R, P, Q, S. Now let us see the answer. It is C. That is, our answer is absolutely correct. That is R, P, Q, S. Now let us move to the next. What we may be, but we do not know, we know what we are. In this sentence, the first sentence can be only are. What we know what we are, but we do not know what we may be. So the sequence can be RSQP. Now let us see the options, whether according to options our answer is correct or not. So it is A, that is RSQP. Now let us see what we have done. That is RSQP. It means our answer is absolutely correct. So it is RSQP. Now let us move to the next. For the ordinary, not willing to risk the unusual, if you are, you will have to settle. It means there are two things. One is ordinary and one is unusual. And for unusual, we have to take the risks. Now let us begin the sentence. Obviously, the sentence or the paragraph can either start with R or can either start with or it can start with S. If I begin the sequence with R, if you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Either this can be the sequence, or if I go with S as the first sentence, you will have to settle for the ordinary if you are not willing to risk the unusual. Now these two can be the sequences. According to the options, let us see which is correct. Now here we have two sentences beginning with either S or R. Rest are beginning with P and Q. But that is not possible because we cannot begin the sentence with for or not. So these two options are not correct. Now let us see the answer is C. That is RQSP. So this one is correct. Now let us see another option. SPQR. Now we have given a format that is SPQR. But the format that we have made is SPRQ. So both of these does not make match. So this sequence will also be incorrect. It means our correct answer will be C, which we have already done. That is RQSP. It means our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next one. As mere stepping stones, his major achievements for the next advance he regarded. Now, we know well that regarded is followed by a preposition as. So he regarded as mere stepping stones, but what did he regard? So let us make S as the first sentence. He regarded his major achievements as mere stepping for the next advance. Now our sequence is SQPR. Now let us see whether according to the options our answer is correct. It is SPQR, SQPR, SPRQ or RPQS. Now let us see. If the sentence begins with S, then it is following P. He regarded as mere stepping stones. Q, his major achievements for the next advance. So it does not make any sense. That means A will not be the correct answer. Next is SQPR, the sequence that we have also made. It means this is the correct answer. Now let us see the next one, SPRQ. Now let us check for this. He regarded as mere stepping stones for the next advance as major achievements. Again, it does not make any sense. It means the sentence, the sequence that we have already made is absolutely correct. Therefore, B answer is absolutely correct. It means our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next question, that is 36. Have a great influence and they often shape our personality on our adult lives, even in our childhood. Now if we see all the sentences, we can see the first one is beginning with a have, with a verb have, and or on. So we cannot begin the sentence or the paragraph with any of these words. Not have, not and, on can make it, but It is not possible because another word is not connecting it. So events can be the first part. So S, events in our childhood have great influence, have a great influence on. Now influence is followed with the preposition on, followed by a preposition on. So SP, then R, then Q. Now let us read it. Events in our childhood have a great influence on our adult lives and they often shape our personality. Now let us see if it is given in the option. SPRQ. Now we can see the answer, that is A, that is SPRQ. It means the sequence that we have already made is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next one. Again, for long and the backbone of India will continue to be the same agriculture has been. Now we know well that the paragraph or the sentence begins with a noun, that is agriculture. So S will be the first sentence. Agriculture has been the backbone of India for long and will continue to be the same. So SQPR. Now let us see if it is given in the options. SQPR. Yes, of course it is there in option B, and B is the correct answer. So the correct answer is SQPR. Now let us move to the next one. The cry of general public agenda in any country, public policy making is generally driven by. Now let us see this. Public policy making is generally driven by agenda in any country, the cry for general public. Now this does not make any sequence. Now agenda in any country is generally driven by public policy making, the cry of general public. So if I begin the sentence with Q or R, and if I say public policy making agenda in any country is generally driven by the cry of general public. Now let us see this option. R, public policy making agenda in any country is generally driven by the cry of general public. So we have come to a conclusion of a sequence RQSP. Now let us see if this option is given in the options or not. If this sequence is given in the options or not. That is RQSP. So it is obviously given in the options and this is the correct answer. That is RQSP. So this will be the correct sequence. Now let us move to the next one. Before it starts, of the government is the essential part, the part to manage conflict. Now, if I begin the sentence before or with of, it is not possible. It can be the essential part or the part to manage conflict. So now let us take R or S as the first sentence. The essential part of the government is the part to manage conflict before it starts. So the essential part of the government is the part to manage conflict before it starts. Now, if I take S as the first sentence, the part to manage conflict, but no sentence before, okay, S can be followed by P, the part to manage conflict before it starts of the government, but it does not make any sense. So this cannot be the sequence. So one sequence that we get from this part is RQSP. Now let us see if it is given in the options or not. It is RQSP. Yes, of course it is given in the options and it is also the answer. That is why our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next one. This is the 40th question. A majority of the votes of the party that received, a majority of the votes, the party that received of the government must take control. Now this is very, very simple. The sentence can begin with Q. The party that received a majority of votes, that is Q is followed by P, must take control of the government. So QPSR should be the sequence. Now let us see. So AQPSR, it means our answer is absolutely correct. The sequence that we have made is absolutely correct. That is QPSR. Now let us move to the next one. Can express a view on in which the electorate, a particular issue on public policy, a referendum is a vote. Now here a referendum is defined. So this will be the first sentence. This should be the first sentence of the sequence. A referendum is a vote. It means we are defining this particular term. A referendum is a vote in which the electorate can express a view on a particular issue of public policy. So our sequence is SQPR. Now let us see. Yes, of course it is given in the options. That is A. So our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next question. That is 42. Now it is written, in modern societies or merely suppressed has class conflict been resolved. Now here we can say a word, we can see a word has and we can see a word been. Now you must have heard this combination has and been come together in case of passive sentences as well. But they are not written together. It means if I begin the sentence using in modern societies or merely suppressed, P cannot be. In modern societies has class, it is also not the correct sequence. In modern societies or merely suppressed, it is not the sequence. In modern societies being resolved, this cannot be the sequence. It means we cannot begin the sentence using P. Now, or cannot begin the sentence. R, has can begin the sentence, but it should be an interrogative structure or interrogative sentence. So let us take R as the first sentence. Has class conflict in modern societies been resolved or merely suppressed? So this will be the question. So after suppressed, there must be a question mark, which is not written because punctuation sometimes are not followed. Punctuation sometimes is not followed. Now let us see the options if it matches any option. RPSQ. Yes, of course it is matching option number A. That means A is absolutely correct. So our answer is absolutely correct. Now let us move to the next one. Several of our food are being extensively cultivated and vegetable crops, hybrid varieties of. Now several of our food. Now several of our food and vegetable crops. So these are two type of things. If I say hybrid varieties of several of or of are of food, it means we can begin the sentence using S. Hybrid varieties of several of our food and vegetable crops. So SP then R are being extensively cultivated. So this can be the sequence. Or if I begin the sequence using P as the first sentence, several of our food and vegetable crops now are being extensively cultivated hybrid varieties of. So this will not make any sense. So only SPRQ can be the sequence. Now let us see if it matches according to the options, SPQR or SPRQ. So our answer is D, and D is absolutely correct answer. Now let us move to the next one, that is 44th. Against the officer as reason for the acquisition, there should have been who was in charge at that time. So R can be the first sentence, there should have been a reason for the acquisition against the officer who was in charge at that time. So RQPS. Now let us see if it is given. Yes, of course it is given in B. It means B is the correct answer. Now let us move to the last sentence or last jumbled sentence of this session. This is very simple. Poetry is and ideas, powerful feelings. Now it is clear that we are talking about poetry over here. So P will be the first sentence. Poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings and ideas. So this will be the sequence. This is very, very simple. Let us see if it is given in the option PSRQ. Yes, of course it is given in the D part. It means D option is correct. Absolutely. PSRQ. So this will be the correct sequence. So these were some questions of jumbled sentences. Remaining will do in the next session. Thank you very much.